I've got an awesome way to make money online and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. I've been doing this method for quite a while now and I've got to tell you this has become one of my favorite ways to make money online. Look at all these people here who have made money by doing this method, and the best part is that you can join them too. So let's get straight into it. So today we're going to be using this awesome AI tool called Word Hero, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Okay, so you know how sometimes we need to write stuff like blog articles, social media posts, or emails. It can be such a drag, right? I used to spend hours trying to come up with creative content, and honestly it was getting on my nerves, but then I found this game changer called Word Hero, and let me tell you, it's been amazing. They've got this mind-blowing AI technology that can whip up original content in seconds. I mean seconds. It's like having a personal writing assistant that never sleeps, and boy, it's been a lifesaver. What I love about Word Hero is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be some tech whiz to get the hang of it. Nope, it's super user-friendly, and even if you're not a wordsmith, you can still create impressive stuff. Trust me, I'm no Shakespeare, but with Word Hero I feel like the best part is that it's not just for boring old blog posts. You can get creative and use it for all sorts of things. Wanna dazzle your followers with catchy social media content? Boom, Word Hero's got your back. Need to send out emails that don't put people to sleep? Word Hero's got you covered there too. And let me tell you, the time I've saved using Word Hero is insane. Time is money, right? Well, this handy tool has freed up so much of my precious time that I can focus on other money-making activities. It's like a double win, making money and saving time. I've tried other writing tools in the past, but honestly they didn't even come close to what Word Hero can do. The quality of the content it generates is top-notch. I mean, I wouldn't put my name on something that sounds like a robot wrote it, but with Word Hero, my content feels authentic and genuinely me. Oh, and Word Hero is surprisingly affordable, especially when you consider the value it brings. I mean, think about the time and effort you save and the quality of the content you get. It's a total steal. So if you're tired of struggling with writing or spending hours staring at a blank screen, do yourself a favor and check out Word Hero. Honestly, it's a game changer, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I use it to make some serious cash. Step 1, sign up for Word Hero. Alright guys, so the first step of this money-making process is to sign up for Word Hero. To do that, you'll need to head over to wordhero.co. When you land on their website, look out for that blue sign up button in the top right corner. Click it and bam, you'll be taken to their pricing plans page. No need to worry about complicate stuff. Just click the Get Started button and brace yourself for the awesomeness. Now comes the next part. Create your Word Hero account by dropping in your first and last name, email, and a password that you won't forget. Once you've done that, hit the Get Started button again. Okay, so here's where the real magic happens. You gotta do the boring grown-up stuff and enter your payment deets. Yeah, we all wish it was all fun and games, but hey, it's a small price to pay for the writing wonders that are waiting for you. Once that's sorted, you're in and ready to use Word Hero. I honestly love that Word Hero isn't just for big shot writers or tech savvy wizards. Word Hero is for everyone, whether you're a blogging newbie or a seasoned social media guru. This awesome tool has got your back. Step 2, create a social media agency website using Wix. Alright, now it's time to dive into step 2 of this money-making journey. First, stop Wix.com. This place is like a playground for creating awesome websites. And guess what? We're gonna set up a killer social media agency right there. Once you land on Wix, it's time to let your creativity run wild. Choose the perfect template for your agency's website. Make it pop and reflect your unique style. Don't stress, Wix has got tons of eye-catching designs, so you're bound to find the one that screams, "This is it." Now let's talk about the services you're gonna offer here. You're gonna want to list all the services that Word Hero can do. So things like social media engagement, email campaigns, ad copy that converts like crazy, captivating captions, and mind-blowing copywriting, you name it. But here's the thing, it's not just about listing these services like they're boring old grocery trees. Show off your personality, and let your potential clients know why you're the bomb at what you do. Add a sprinkle of charm, a dash of wit, and a pinch of confidence to your service descriptions. Let them know that they're in for a treat when they hire you. What awesome about Wix is that you don't need to be some tech geek to make your website look pro. Seriously, it's so easy to use. It's like playing a game. Drag, drop, click, and boom, your dream website is coming to life. And hey, let's talk about the perks of having your own social media agency. Flexibility. You get to be your own boss, set your own schedule, and work with clients you vibe with. No more soul-sucking 9-to-5 gigs. This is your chance to shine and make money doing what you love. I can't stress this enough. Wix is the real MVP. Here it's got all the tools you need to make your agency look top-notch, from cool galleries to showcase your work to select contact forms that make it easy for clients to reach you. Wix has got your back. Oh, and get this, Wix doesn't just stop at building websites. Nope, it's a one-stop shop. You can integrate all kinds of goodies like booking systems, email marketing, and more. So if you're ready to take your social media game to new heights and start raking in the dough, head over to Wix and create that drool-worthy social media agency website. Step 3. Create a Google Ads account. Okay, so now we're gonna dive into the world of Google Ads. First things first, we gotta create our very own Google Ads account. Once you've got an account all set up, it's time to rock the ad game. We're gonna launch a search ad that'll put your service in the spotlight. So think about what makes your service shine, and let's get ready to dazzle some potential clients when you're setting up your ad. Don't forget about those keywords. They're like magic words that connect your ad with the right audience. Put yourself in their shoes and think about what they'd be typing into that Google search bar. Use those keywords wisely and watch your ads are to new heights. One thing I've learned about Google Ads is that it's like a fine wine. It gets better with time. Keep an eye on your ads performance and don't be afraid to make tweaks and improvements along the way. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a killer ad campaign. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Don't get discouraged if you don't see instant results. Building a solid online presence takes time, but trust me, it's worth it. The best part of using Google Ads is the crazy reach it gives you. It's like having your own virtual megaphone shouting to the world about your amazing service. You'll be reaching potential clients from all corners of the internet, and that's a game changer. Step 4. Fulfill. Just log into Word Hero and feed it all the juicy deets about the order. Think about the vibe, the message, and what you want your clients to feel. The more you tell Word Hero, the better it can whip up that spot on copy. And let me tell you, Word Hero doesn't disappoint. It's like a mind reader, understanding exactly what you need. You'll get copy that's fresh, engaging, and straight up captivating. Your clients will be like, wow, this is some next level stuff. Ever since I started using Word Hero to fulfill my orders, life has been so much smoother, and my clients, they're over the moon with the results. You know what else? Word Hero's been a game changer for my business's bottom line. With Word Hero in my corner, I can handle more orders without feeling overwhelmed. More orders means more cash flowing in. Now look, guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunity cities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money, and I tested out this strategy for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time.